Are your furry friends sitting at home all day while you're busy at work or running errands? What if I told you there's a simple solution that not only helps your dog, but also creates a steady gig for teens in your neighborhood? Yep, dog walking. Let's dig into how this win-win relationship works. For busy parents juggling a million things, having someone to take your dog for a walk can be a lifesaver. Teens can step in here to save the day. Teens, here's why you should jump into this business. You're already walking around after school, right? Why not earn money while you're at it? Walking a neighbor's dog in the evenings or after school is the perfect side hustle. Benefits for dog owners? Your pup gets exercise, love, and attention. And for teens, it's all about flexibility, staying active, and earning consistent weekly pay. Plus, it's the easiest way to connect with your community. Pro tip: never walk more than 3 dogs at a time. And make sure you can handle their size and energy levels. Safety first. Now let's talk about pay. Work out a weekly rate with your neighbors. This makes it easy for everyone, and you'll always know what to expect. So there you have it, a win-win for everyone involved. Teens, this could be your gateway to more gigs. Pet parents, you're supporting local teens while keeping your furry friend happy. Start today and make tails wag across your neighborhood. Here are a few tips for success. Start by offering services to neighbors or create flyers. Focus on great customer service. Improve your pet care knowledge. Offer pet grooming or training tips for an additional fee. Build trust with clients through punctuality and consistent service quality. Would you like more ideas about what you can do to earn money as a teenager during your spare time? Like and subscribe, and we've got you.